this is Renek. It's a shame that it's also a parking lot. This side is better. No cars. I'm on my way to my place to stay, and so far I am not impressed by Jelenia Góra yet. I've been to the old town. It's pretty, but you know, I've seen so many places in Poland now, I'm a little bit spoiled. So this is like pretty, but not like the wow effect yet. But these 4 days I want to explore a lot of the area and see all the beautiful nature as well. So let's see what we will find. Okay, now it feels like I'm on one of my long distance hikes. Cool bridge. Okay, this is awesome. Nice views. So this is where we are. Dąbrowica, and my place is here. Let's take a look. I'm really curious because it looks like a ruin from the outside, but apparently from the inside they made it pretty. Look at that. Well, let's say that I have a nice view from my room. Imagine waking up like this. The view from my window, guys. Look at this evening. Maybe we will get an awesome sunset. Okay, I'm chilling and waiting for the sunset, and I realized something now about me, like getting more and more used to the Polish language and listening more and more and like trying to speak. I realized that I cannot look normally anymore at thanking someone because in Polish you have the beautiful dziękujemy when you thank for like multiple persons, so not only you but also the person who's with you. So I was reading a message from my mom, and that was in Dutch. So I told her to have like a good day at work, and for my stepdad to have fun with the grandkids. And then she responded with dankjewel, which means just thank you. And my first reaction was, that's wrong. But then I'm like, oh my gosh, that is not wrong. In Dutch, that's perfectly right. But in Polish language, she would have said, dziękujemy. I'm getting more and more Polish by the day, guys. Oh my. It's happening. Good morning. We're going for a walk because there are some palaces in the area here. And the sun is shining. And maybe we'll have some rain this afternoon, but let's see. It's my room. Look at the mountains. So we We have seen some big cities now in Lower Silesia. We have seen beautiful Bolesławiec town. And now we're walking through the cute, picturesque countryside of Lower Silesia. Let's see what we can find today. Where will our feet bring us? This is stunning. Look at the mountains there with the clouds. So we are close to Łomnicka now, and here is like a kind of a lake. And there's the first palace I want to show you. It's a hotel now, but I saw photos and it looked stunning. It has a beautiful garden as well. It's called, it's called Wojanów. So it's a palace, and let's see. I also want to see if I can get closer to the lake, but I don't know. I think I found a way. Yeah, look, there it is. That's a view. Field trip. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. This is stunning. Amazing. And then here is like a big park where you can just go and sit with a book or something. Wow. Now this is also really awesome. There's no one here. Look at the Chinese, I forgot the name. So next I found the castle on the map, and that's 1 hour walk from here, so let's go. It smells like farm here. I wish we could like also bring the smell to you, because then you have the whole experience. But look, I love this so much, this exploring, that I don't know what to expect, but just to walk, have some points where I want to go, but then being surprised by everything I see around me and just notice all the little things. It's great. There's some things, guys, look. There's that palace again. So Bobrów, this one is. I think the palace is abandoned. Wow, there are many palaces. Look at this map. Oh my. So we were here. Now this is the one that we saw from the street. Karpniki. I think we are going to this one, but I'm not sure. And then walk all the way back. We will walk all the way back to here because that's mine, I think. Teenagers cleaning the neighborhood, I like that. So this palace, it's abandoned. Maybe it's renovated, I don't know. But look at the roof. I don't know. But it's closed, so we cannot go there. The walls are still standing. So we're going through the forest now. And Google Maps shows this as a normal road where cars can drive, but I don't know. I don't know about that. Ah, that's nice. Cool house. We are very close to Karpniki now. There's probably a palace and a castle. Let's see if we can find both. There we are. Zamek Karpniki. Nice one as well. Look at this. I was there. We're making a big circle. Google Maps is sending me literally through the fields. What an adventure again. Nienke on adventure. Found a normal path again. How could this be a path? Google Maps, wow. But we're almost in Wapnica. There's another palace. The Wapnica one. Look. Howard Wapnica. There is the palace where we started. So we've been walking for 4 hours already. Still 35 minutes to go. Back home before the rain starts, hopefully. Rain.